Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to yet another vlog of ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 43-inch Full HD LED TV. In this TV, as you can see, the complaint is picture comes for a second then immediately becomes no display. See friends, this is the fault. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. If panel both sides are not short. If shorting is in any one side of the panel, then we can repair this TV panel display using a temporary method by blocking shorted Gatesignals entering to the glass panel. For that we can implement both taping method or cutting method. See friends, it's a 43-inch Full HD panel with additional Tcon board. There are two FFC cables which connects both Tcon and glass panel. Now to repair here we are planning to implement taping method by blocking Gatesignals entering to the panel through the Tcon board. So first we need to confirm which side panel Gatesignals are causing this problem. So for that here we are going to disconnect the right side FFC cable and check the half portion of the display is visible or not. See friends, half screen not visible, so let's try in opposite side. See friends, after disconnecting left side, now right side picture comes, so here left side Gatesignals are short. Now we need to use taping method for masking Gatesignals in left FFC cable. See friends, now we masked the Gatesignals properly. See after that now the TV is repaired successfully. Now work is done. Here you can see now the picture comes. But always remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is panel replacement. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.